In the last clip, we considered the first order B2 orbital diagram, and in this clip, we'll consider the B2 second order MO diagram. So first, let me show you what we had from the last clip. There's the first order diagram. The s orbitals mix to make sigma S star. The p orbitals mix to make sigma p and sigma p star. Sigma p star, there's the antibonding one, and pi star. That's what we had from last time. And now we're going to use this as a springboard to the second order MO diagram and put in chat what the key principle is that we're going to be using. The variational principle. Boron 2s is minus 15 EVs. Boron 2p is minus 8.5 EVs. Delta E is 6.5 EVs. And therefore, 2s can mix with 2p. They're only 6.5 EVs apart, well short of the 20 to turn off interaction. Look, there are a lot of s and p orbitals that we can mix. The question is, which ones should we look at? And let's just rule out some of the possibilities. Here's the boron on the left, and I'm going to consider its s orbital on this side, and I'll consider on the boron on the right its p orbital, like so. This pair of interactions I'm going to call 1. This pair of interactions between the bottom lobe and the s orbital 1, the top lobe in s2, and put in chat, is 1 constructive or destructive? And the answer is, it is, put in chat, destructive. 2, is it constructive or destructive? And the answer is, it is constructive. No net interaction. Let's try another one. I will put a p orbital on this side, and I'll put the s orbital on this side. So there's the boron left, and here's the boron on the right. I'll call the front lobe 2s. I'll call that the number 3. The back lobe 2s, I'll call 4. Put in chat 3. 3, is it constructive or destructive? Put it in chat. Put it in chat. 3 is constructive. 4, put it in chat. Constructive or destructive? Destructive. No net interaction. The rule is then that the boron s orbitals cannot mix. Boron 2s in B2, boron 2s cannot mix with boron p pi. And in general rule, sigma cannot mix with pi. And this is for diatomic molecules. So there are lots of interactions that we look at on the left and on the right. But we don't have to look at any interaction because they are 6.5 EVs apart. But we don't have to look at any p orbital that's pi-like, looking for how it mixes with the 2s.